In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hamburger menu in the Wix Editor for mobile-friendly navigation. A well-designed hamburger menu can greatly enhance the user experience on your website, especially for visitors who access your site through their mobile devices. So, let's dive in and create a sleek and efficient navigation setup. First, open your Wix Editor and focus on finding the Menu button. It can be found on the left-hand side of the editor. Here, we are specifically interested in transforming how your website's navigation is displayed on mobile devices. Once you've clicked on the Menu button, proceed to add a new one by selecting a Hamburger Menu from the menu options. This option is specifically designed to compactly display your site's navigation and is perfect for a mobile-friendly experience. After you've added the hamburger menu, it's time to customize it to match your website's design. Click on the newly added menu to bring up the customization settings. Here, you can adjust the color, style, and animations. Make sure to select colors and styles that fit seamlessly with your existing website theme to ensure visual harmony. The animation options allow you to add a touch of interactivity by selecting how the menu appears and disappears when clicked. Remember, simplicity often results in better functionality, so pick an animation that enhances rather than overwhelms. Now, we need to configure which pages appear within this hamburger menu. Click on Manage Menu from the settings, where you'll see a list of the pages on your site. Simply check or uncheck pages you want to include or exclude from the menu. This helps confirm that your visitors find your most important pages easily, creating an intuitive flow for mobile navigation. Next up is testing. Click on the mobile icon at the top of the Wix Editor to view the mobile display of your website. This will give you a real-time preview of how the hamburger menu appears to visitors using mobile devices. Pay particular attention to how quickly the menu responds to commands and if any design aspects need adjustments. If you notice any discrepancies, go back to the editor, fine-tune the settings, and preview again. This back-and-forth process is crucial to achieving a perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. Finally, once you are satisfied with the menu's appearance and capabilities, don't forget to save your changes. Saving regularly helps prevent loss of progress and ensures that your hard work is not in vain. After saving, publish your changes to make the new menu live on your site for everyone to see and use. And there you have it. With these steps, you should now have a fully functional and visually appealing hamburger menu on your Wix website, optimized perfectly for mobile devices. This enhancement will significantly improve how users navigate your site, providing a smoother, more engaging mobile experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!